Patuan City.
It's Pocahontas.
No, Pocahontas is a couple miles away. We're in Patuan. Botswana.
We're in Pocahontas because it said 1 mile and then we got off and it's right here.
Where's our brother? He's trying to find his shoes.
I feel like we spent most of our time waiting on John.
Yeah.
Going to Blue Springs Saturday, right there, as seen on. They've been on Food Network. Yeah! We're going to Barbados.
Night long when you're out with your friends, all you say that the matter's over, but now that chapter's over, I'm done trusting you. It's ended, even after I.
We are hanging out in the Cracker Barrel store. There's Tiff and Michaela, John. Ready? It's a tornado!
That's why I watch scary movies.
I saw your sister last night.
Hey, boys and girls.
What are you doing today, Michaela?
I'm taking sticky thingies off the bottom.
This isn't even our merchandise.
But we are doing merch.
Why does it seem like you two are the only ones who ever do merch?
I don't know, just happy all right.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You look like you're having
I am.
so much fun.
I'm watching Chris edit.
Hi Chris, say hi to our YouTube followers.
Hello.
A commercial?
Yes, right? A commercial?
Yes.
Oh look, we found Mariah. Say hi to our YouTube followers.
What are you doing?
And Rose, right?
This is Rose and Brandon.
Rose, say hi to our YouTube followers. Rose.
Well, I would like to say I'm hot.
Alright. What are you two doing today?
We're over here talking to a professional singer.
Professional singer.
She's gonna. Her name is Christy. She's gonna be on TV today, and we're getting tips on professional singing.
Up where they